Hello everyone, welcome to our channel.
In this video, we are going to see a simple trick to find cube root of perfect cube numbers which has more than 6 digits. So for less than 6 digits, please refer my previous video. So we have already seen this part in my previous video. So let's jump into the example directly. If you see this example, we have 7 digits here. So I am splitting 3 digits starting from the end. So we will get 3 digit answer here. So my first digit is 4. So we have to find the cube of which number is within this 4. If you see cube of 1, you will get 1. Cube of 2, you will get 8. So we have to consider only 1. So 1 cube is 1. So I am considering 1 as the first digit. And then the last digit is 9. So if you see 9, the answer also will ends with the same number. So my last digit would be 9. So we have to find this middle digit. So for finding this, we have to consider cube of the last digit. Last digit is 9. So the cube of 9 is 7, 2, 9. So we have to find the difference between these two. So 9, 9, it is 0 and then 8. You will get 80 here. So we can ignore this 0 and we can consider only this 8. So for finding the middle digit, we have one formula 3r square m equal to the difference between this number. It is 8. So here it is 8. Now the m is the middle digit which we have to find it here. Here the r is 9 because we are considering the last digit cube here to find the difference. So r is 9. So r is 9 and r square you will get 81. But for finding this we have to consider only the last digit. So we can ignore the first digit. So r square is 1 here. So 3 into 1 into m equal to 8. So 3 into m equal to 8. So as I said earlier, here in this formula we will only consider the last digits. So if you consider this 8 also as a last digit, we have to find by multiplying which number with 3 you will get the last digit as 8. If you see 3 into 6 you will get 18. So 8 is here. So 3 into 6. So your m is 6 here. So the answer for this cube root is 169. Now let's solve this example. We have to split 3 digits starting from the last digit. And then you will get 3 digit as an answer. So the first digit is, we have to find the cube of which number is within this 16. If you see 2 cube you will get 8. 3 cube it is 27 which is beyond this 16. So we have to consider 2 here. And last digit is ending with 7. So if it ends with 7 then your answer will ends with 3. So last digit is 3. So the next step is you have to find the cube of the difference between the last 2 digits. So you will get 50 here. So you can ignore this 0 and then you can take this 5. So if you get 5 as a reminder, then you don't need to calculate this 3r square m. You can straight away write either 5 or 0. So your middle digit will be either 5 or 0. So if the first set is the perfect cube, then we have to consider 0. If it is not perfect cube, then you have to consider 5. Here 16 is not a perfect cube, so I am considering 5 here. So your answer is 253. Now let's solve this example. Same, I am splitting it 3 digits and then you will get 3 digits as an answer. And if you see the first digit is 5, so the cube of 2 is 8, so I am just considering 1 here. And the last digit is 6, so if it is 6, your answer also same digit, so 6 here. So now we have to find the difference between last digit and cube of 6. So cube of 6 is 216. So you will get 560. So you can ignore this 0 here. Now 3r square m equal to 56. Here r is 6 because we have find the cube root of 6 to find the difference. So r is 6 and r square is 36. But we have to consider only the last digit in this formula. So 3 into 6 is your r square. So 6 into m equal to 56. Now 3 into 6 you will get 18, but we have to consider only last digit. So in this formula, wherever you get the answer, you have to consider only the last digit. So you will get 8. 8 into m equal to 56. So by multiplying which number with 8, you will get 56. By multiplying 7, you will get 56 because 8 sevens are 56. So your answer here is 7. So m equal to 7. Now let's solve this example. I am splitting it 3 digits and then your answer will be 3 digits, and then we have to find the cube of which number is within this 43. If you see 3 cube you will get 27, whereas 4 cube you will get 64. So you have to consider only 3 because it is less than 43. So 3 here, and the number is ending with 8. So if it ends with 8, you have to consider 2. So your last digit is 2. Now we have to find the middle digit. For finding it, we have to find the difference between last digit. You will get 0. So if your remainder is 0 or 5, we have to consider whether it is 5 or 0. So if the first set is perfect cube, then we have to consider as 0. If it is not perfect cube, then we have to consider 5. So here the first set is 43, which is not a perfect cube. So we have to consider 5 here. So your answer is 3, 5, 2. So using this simple trick, we can find cube of any perfect cube numbers which is greater than 6 digits.
Thanks for watching.